How to turn on or turn off allow silent mode in Assistive Access on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, go down and then tap on Assistive Access. Next, we scroll down and from here, tap on Allow Silent Mode. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Here it says put iPhone in silent mode using the action button. So if you switch this off, then when you are in Assistive Access mode, the silent mode will be disabled and you cannot use it. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.